Let us start with an interesting scientific question. Why do traditional ATR indicators lose directional information when measuring market volatility? The answer involves an important concept in statistics: information loss. When we calculate moving averages, we are actually performing low-pass filtering, but we also lose the directional characteristics of the rate of change. The VoVix indicator innovatively combines fast and slow ATR differences with standard deviation normalization. It not only preserves volatility intensity information, but more importantly, it reconstructs the directionality of volatility changes. This has significant methodological importance in the history of quantitative analysis. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Inventor Strategy Deep Analysis channel. This channel is dedicated to bringing you the most cutting-edge strategy analysis. Traditional ATR indicators can measure market volatility amplitude, but they face a fundamental flaw. They can only tell us that the market is volatile, but cannot predict the trend of volatility intensity changes. This is like meteorology, where we can only measure current wind speed, but cannot predict the formation and dissipation of storms. For traders, what is more important is being able to identify volatility turning points in advance. When does the market shift from calm to intense? When does it return from frantic to calm? Traditional ATR is completely powerless in this regard. It is just a lagging volatility amplitude recorder. The VoVix DEVMA strategy we are analyzing today was born to solve this core pain point. It can identify structural changes in volatility intensity in advance, allowing traders to seize opportunities at volatility turning points. This opens up a completely new predictive dimension for volatility analysis. This strategy is an adaptive quantitative trading system based on the concept of volatility of volatility. The strategy core calculates the difference between fast and slow ATR, then performs standard deviation normalization to construct the VoVix indicator that reflects market volatility changes. It generates trading signals through fast and slow moving average crossovers. When the fast line crosses above the slow line, it enters volatility expansion period for long operations. When the fast line crosses below the slow line, it enters volatility contraction period for short operations. The system has three core features. Signal quality grading mechanism divides trading opportunities into elite, strong, good, and weak levels based on signal strength, ensuring high-quality entries. Adaptive learning mechanism dynamically adjusts position parameters by tracking historical trading performance, extending holding time in high win rate environments to capture more profits. Multiple risk protection system combines ATA dynamic stop loss, trailing stops, and time-based forced closing. While capturing volatility opportunities, it effectively controls risk. The entire strategy organically integrates volatility analysis, signal quality assessment, adaptive optimization, and risk management into an intelligent trading system that can continuously learn and adapt to market changes. The strategy parameter design reflects a deep understanding of market microstructure. First is the VoVix DEVMA core configuration parameter group. The deviation lookback period controls the sensitivity of the VoVix indicator, capturing medium-term volatility characteristics while avoiding overfitting risks. The fast VoVix period captures short-term volatility changes, while the slow VoVix period provides long-term volatility benchmarks. The ratio relationship between these two constructs may seem like dual-line system, but with more agile response to volatility changes. The Adaptive Intelligence module is the core highlight of the strategy. The adaptive function switch evolves VoVix from a static indicator into an intelligent system that can continuously learn based on market feedback. The adaptive time exit function dynamically adjusts holding duration based on historical performance. The Intelligent Execution module configures a complete trading execution framework. Trade quantity supports flexible capital management needs. The Smart Stop Loss switch enables ATR dynamic calculation, ensuring risk control can adapt to market volatility changes. ATR Stop Loss multiplier and Take Profit multiplier set the basic risk-reward framework. The Trailing Stop switch, Trailing Stop point multiplier, and Offset multiplier together form an advanced trailing stop mechanism. This allows the strategy to lock in more profits when trends continue. The maximum bars in trade limit effectively prevents long-term trap risks, ensuring every trade has a clear time exit. The VoVix indicator construction process showcases the technical essence of modern quantitative financial engineering. The code first initializes the adaptive variable system, including arrays storing recent trade returns, profitable trade duration arrays, and key statistical variables like win rate and average profitable duration. Next, it calculates 14-period ATR as the benchmark for dynamic stops. VoVix core calculation has 3 steps. First step calculates the difference between fast ATR and slow ATR, capturing the contrast between short-term and long-term volatility intensity. Second step uses fast ATR standard deviation to normalize the difference, adding a tiny value to prevent division by zero. This step is the innovative core of the entire indicator, completely eliminating the influence of price levels. Third step calculates the standard deviation of the normalized VoVix source data, getting a measure that reflects volatility stability. Finally, through simple moving average processing of fast and slow periods, it constructs the fast and slow core signal lines. This multi-layer data processing effectively filters high-frequency noise while preserving key trend reversal information. The signal generation mechanism uses strict dual verification logic to ensure signal quality. First, it calculates the fast-slow line difference as the basis for directional judgment. Long crossover signals must simultaneously satisfy fast line crossing above slow line and positive difference value. This design avoids false signals generated in choppy markets. Short crossover signals require fast line crossing below slow line and difference absolute value greater than 0, ensuring signal effectiveness. Signal strength calculation uses an innovative percentage assessment method, amplifying the ratio of difference to standard deviation by 100 times to get an intuitive strength indicator. Strength exceeding 5% is rated elite level. 3 to 5% is strong. 1 to 3% is good. Below 1% is weak. This grading system not only helps traders identify optimal entry timing, but also allows adjusting trading strategies based on signal quality. Strict entry condition checks ensure new trades only open when there are no existing positions, avoiding position management complexity. The adaptive time adjustment mechanism dynamically optimizes holding duration based on the strategy's historical win rate. The system first initializes adaptive maximum bars as the base setting value, then makes intelligent adjustments based on current win rate levels. When adaptive features and adaptive time exit are enabled, during high win rate periods above 85%, the system extends maximum holding time to 1.5 times to fully utilize the strategy's advantage performance period. In medium-high win rate ranges of 75 to 85%, it moderately extends to 1.25 times, balancing returns and risk. At other win rate levels, it maintains standard time settings to ensure effective risk control. This dynamic adjustment mechanism allows the strategy to moderately extend profit windows when performing well, while maintaining cautious risk control standards when performing normally, achieving personalized time management optimization. The Intelligent Learning and Parameter Optimization module is the core mechanism for continuous strategy evolution. When a new trade end is detected, the system automatically obtains detailed information about the last trade, including profit-loss amount, return rate, and duration. Return rate data is added to the head of the trade returns array, with array size maintained within 30 records to ensure data timeliness. For profitable trades, the system specifically records their duration in an independent array, keeping 20 records for time parameter analysis. When the trade returns array accumulates at least 10 records, the system counts profitable trades and updates win rate in real time. Adaptive parameter adjustment triggers when 2 conditions are met, accumulating at least 5 trade records and total trades divisible by 3. The system calculates the average duration of recent profitable trades, adjusting the adaptive time exit multiplier accordingly. The multiplier is strictly limited between 0.5 and 2.0 to ensure reasonable parameter adjustments. This historical performance-based parameter optimization allows the strategy to continuously adapt to changing market environments. The Trade Execution and Risk Management module integrates complete trade lifecycle management. The unified entry function ensures consistency in long and short trading logic, dynamically calculating stop loss and take profit distances based on current ATR values. Stop loss prices are precisely set according to trade direction. Long trades set downward stop protection, short trades set upward stop protection. The system supports 2 exit mode choices: Fixed stop-loss take-profit mode provides clear risk-reward framework, while trailing stop mode can dynamically adjust stop positions when trends continue, locking in more profits. Long trades execute when volatility expansion signals trigger, fast line crosses above slow line. Short trades execute when volatility contraction signals trigger, fast line crosses below slow line. All trades must simultaneously satisfy no existing position and bar close confirmation conditions to ensure signal reliability. The time management mechanism continuously monitors position duration, automatically executing forced closing when reaching the adaptive adjusted maximum bar limit, effectively preventing long-term trap risks. Closing operations include detailed duration information comments for subsequent analysis and optimization of strategy performance. The visualization design pursues simple, yet expressive effects, providing traders with clear visual feedback. The fast line uses a dynamic color scheme. When current value is greater than previous value, it displays green indicating uptrend, otherwise displays red indicating downtrend. The slow line uses a different color system, cyan when rising, orange when falling, forming sharp contrast with the fast line for easy observation of relative position changes between the two lines. The standard deviation line uses semi-transparent purple display as background reference without interfering with main signal line interpretation. The alert system uses streamlined design, only triggering reminders containing signal levels when crossover signals occur. This strategy demonstrates significant advantages in identifying key trading opportunities through its innovative volatility structure prediction technology. In optimal application scenario selection, the strategy particularly excels at capturing volatility structure change periods before trend breakouts, giving traders valuable early positioning. At the same time, during market sentiment recovery phases after panic selling, the strategy's dual moving average mechanism can effectively identify volatility contraction signals, accurately capturing early rebound or reversal opportunities. In strategy deployment practice, multi-timeframe confirmation is an important means to improve signal reliability. Combining longer timeframe charts to verify signal direction can effectively avoid counter-trend operation risks. More critically, understanding market environment impact on strategy performance is crucial. This strategy works better in high volatility market environments, while during low volatility periods, position size should be reduced or usage should be paused to control risk. In advanced application aspects, signal filtering optimization is an important technique for leveraging strategy advantages. It can be combined with volume indicators or price structure analysis to further improve signal quality. Additionally, parameter combination testing is crucial for adapting to different trading instruments. Targeted adjustment of ATR period and deviation lookback period combinations can significantly optimize strategy performance. From a professional quantitative analysis perspective, this strategy achieves significant innovative breakthroughs based on traditional technical indicators. Strategy completeness performs excellently. From indicator construction, signal generation, to execution framework, every component is carefully designed. The integration of adaptive learning mechanism is particularly impressive. Risk management design is quite rigorous. The triple protection system of ATR dynamic stops, trailing stops, and time force closing performs excellently in controlling maximum drawdown. Adaptability is the strategy's most outstanding advantage. The self-learning capability allows it to continuously optimize parameters based on market feedback. This is truly cutting-edge innovation in the technical indicator field. Strategy logic is clear with good understandability. Innovation is unquestionable. The processing method combining fast-slow ATR differences with standard deviation normalization opens up completely new paths for volatility analysis, with important practical value. Practicality performs well in high volatility markets, particularly suitable for cryptocurrency and similar market environments. Worth mentioning is that standard deviation normalization processing also gives this indicator certain cross-market applicability. It should be noted that technical indicator innovation often comes from traders' deep market observation and thinking. Interested friends can completely develop their own analysis tools based on their market understanding. We welcome everyone to try better approaches on the Inventor platform.